Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this top hack on Dress to Impress. So you're going to select this one and you're going to color the inside part the same color of your skin. So go to the tanning beds, color wheel, and copy and paste the skin hex code here. I'm just going to put this on first though, this top here, and color it white. You can color it any color you want, but go back to the first outfit, then paste it. Did I even copy it? Oh, I did not copy it. Hold on, let me just go back here. Paste it. And then on the rest of the outfit, you're just going to color it white. Except for the last one, you're going to color it the same again. And then that's the outfit hack. You can then put on a skirt. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Just going to add a sleeve here real quick. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.